Hello friends, welcome to the second video on sets. Before we proceed, let us recall what we studied in the last video. We have seen that set is a collection of well-defined objects. We also saw a method of writing a set, which is listing or roster method. In this video, we will learn rule method or set builder form to write a set. What we will do is write few sets in both listing method and set builder method so that you can compare and understand the difference between these two methods. Let us take one example. C is a set containing elements SMILE. This is a method of writing a set in roster form. Here we have written all the elements of the set inside curly brackets. To write this set in the set builder form, we have to find a common characteristic, a common property which is applicable to all the elements of this set, or we have to find a rule which decides the membership of this set C. You must have observed that all these elements are nothing but letters of the word smile. So this gives us the rule of formation of this set. Each and every element of this set is a letter from the word smile. We will use this rule to write the set in the set builder form. Let us see how to do that. C equal to, in the set builder form also, we will write the set in curly brackets. But what will come in inside the curly brackets? Not all these elements. Instead, we write just X. X is a representative, a general representative of all elements of set C. Then we will put a vertical line, and after that vertical line we will specify the rule for membership of set C. And what is that rule? Let us see. X is a letter in word smile. So X satisfies the condition of being a letter in word smile, and that gives X the membership of set C. Then we close the curly bracket and we have written the set in the set builder form. What is the difference? In listing method, we write all the elements of the set. In set builder form, we write only the rule which defines the membership of the set. And how do we read this? Let us understand that properly. We have written the set in the set builder form, but how do we read it? For that, we will divide this set into three components in three different colors. The first, C equal to curly bracket X. This part we read as C is a set of all X. Okay, so this things we read as C is a set of all X. Then comes this purple vertical line. This line we will read as such that. So this part C is a set of all X such that, and then the remaining part you will read as it is, X is a letter in word smile. In words, C is a set of all x such that x is a letter in word smile. Let us take another example. D is a set, and what are the elements of this set? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. D we have written here in the roster method. So these are all the elements of the set. And we know, you must have observed, these are the days of the week. All 7 days are present in set D. So that gives us the rule to define this set. If object needs place in this set D, then it should be a day of the week. If X is a general representative of this set, then X is a day of the week. So let us write this set in the set builder form. D is a set of all X such that, what is the rule for X to be the member of the set D? X is a day in a week. Let us close the curly bracket. Let us again see how do we read it. Divide this set in 3 different colors. This part, the part we see in red, how do we read it? D is a set of all X. Then purple vertical line, we read that line as such that. And then remaining part, the part in green, we read as it is. X is a day in a week. Let us see another example. B contains numbers 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. Now what is a common property of all these numbers? Let us find out. 6, 12, 18, 24. These are all multiples of 6. All these, in fact, these are first 8 multiples of 6. First number you get 6 into 1 will give you the first number, 6 into 2, 12, 6 into 3, 18 and so on. So all these numbers are first 8 multiples of 6, or you obtain each number by multiplying 6 and some natural number. And what that natural number is, it can be anything from 1 to 8. So this gives us rule for this set. How do we write it? B is a set of all X such that X equal to 6n. The member of this set is a multiple of 6. So we write multiple of 6 as 6n. And the value of n varies from 1 to 8. When n is equal to 1, you get the first element. When n is 2, you get second element, and so on. So n takes value 1 to 8, and 1 to 8 are natural numbers less than 9. So you can write this set as B is a set of all x such that x is equal to 6n, and what is n? N is a natural number less than 9. One more example. Set A contains elements 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. So these are squares. Squares of numbers from 1 to 10. Each one is a perfect square of first 10 natural numbers. This gives us rule for the membership of the set. And we write this set in the set builder form. A is a set of all x such that x is equal to n square, where n is a natural number less than 11. We have squares of natural numbers up to 10. So up to 10 we can write as less than 11. X is equal to n square. N is a natural number less than 11. In this video, we studied rule method or set builder form to write the set. If you find this video useful, like it and subscribe my channel.